Guy McPherson here, the Trauma Therapist Podcast and the Trauma Therapist Newsletter. When I got into graduate school, I knew I wanted to focus on trauma. I knew I wanted to become the best trauma therapist I could become. I didn't know where to find information. I thought that the most important thing for me would be to, read as many books as I could, talk to as many people as I can, go to as many conferences and workshops, and yes, those things are vital. But what I've learned is that probably the most important thing is your authenticity, cultivating that, being able to express that human beingness within the context of working with someone who's been impacted by trauma. If you're a new trauma therapist and you're looking to get informed, stay inspired, get in touch with and read about inspiring and incredible people and therapists, check out the Trauma Therapist Newsletter. And you can click this link and check out a free issue of the Trauma Therapist Newsletter. Take care.